Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your sari world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I'm very delighted to bring to you a beautiful and colorful collection of Kanjivaram silk saris. All the saris in this collection are hand woven, and the zari on them is pure zari. So let's get started with the beautiful saris. We begin with a very beautiful and very festive Kanchivaram silk sari. This one is in orange like this. The body of the sari has beautiful raindrop or maratuli motifs in sari, and the borders are in an araku or maroonish kind of shape. Now the borders have two stripes of zari like this, narrow stripes of zari. So it's a rettapate zari border, and there is a green selvage which highlights the beauty of this sari. The pallu of the sari is in the same araku as the body of the sari. So it's like this, and it's got seepareka done in zari. The blouse piece of this beautiful sari is in maroon. So this combination of orange with maratuli motifs and the maroon borders, the green selvages, make this sari an absolute beauty. This is our first Kanchivaram silk sari of the day. If the Kanjivaram is the queen of silks, then the Vairavusi is the queen of Kanjivarams. So presenting to you a very beautiful and very grand Vairavusi sari. This one is in a rich blue, and Vairavusi means stripes of zari all over the body. Now Vairam in Tamil means diamond, and Usi is a needle. So this sari is called Vairavusi because the zari is woven in such a way that it is there all over the body like this, running along the length of the body, and it gives a very shimmering and very grand and splendid effect when draped. So this body in blue has small zari buttas like this all over the body, and the borders have this darbar paint motifs, and there is a green selvage which elevates the beauty of this already grand sari to a higher extent. This is the majestic pallu of this Vairavusi sari, and there are motifs of horses, Annam Chakram, Pakshi motifs which adorn this beautiful sari. All of these motifs are done in zari. This sari comes with a running blouse fabric in the same blue as the sari, but you can pair it with a zari blouse or a tissue blouse or something in green. All these colors will also look very nice in this grand Vairavusi Kanjivaram silk sari. Some of us love threadwork saris for the comfort that it offers. Some of us love zari and some of us love both. So this sari is for those who love both thread and zari. The body of the sari has plus shaped buttas done in thread, and the borders are pakshi motifs done in zari. Now this combination of green body with the threadwork plus buttas and the magenta plum borders with pakshi motifs done in zari makes this sari very unique and very beautiful. The pallu of the sari is in the same plum magenta shade as the borders, and it's got richly woven zari lines like this. The blouse piece of the sari is in the same plum magenta as the borders and the pallu. This is one of our special picks for you today. A subtle sari for those who love elegance and simple saris. This one has an off-white or a pearl colored body like this, and the whole body is like this in simple off-white, and the edges have a simple stripe of zari like this. Now what is special about this sari is its beautiful and unique pallu. So the pallu of the sari is in two colors, a beautiful rust orange kind of shade and a pink shade, and both these bands have beautiful zari buttas. The blouse piece of the sari is in pink like this with zari buttas. So while the sari appears to be simple, when it's draped, it spells absolute elegance and class. This is one special and unique pick we have for you today. Palum Param is a kind of Kanjivaram silk design that most Kanjivaram silk sari lovers would love to have in their wardrobes. So here I present you a very beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in Palum Param design. Pal in Tamil means milk and Param is fruits. So this design is called Palum Param after a famous movie of the 60s with that name. This Palum Param sari has small checks, and the checks are in shades of yellow, orange, pink and black. And what is unique about the sari is that it has korvai borders in pink, and the korvai borders have retta manga or two mangoes. And there are two rows of this, so it is a retta paid with retta manga done in pure sari. So this is the beauty of a sari. This is the spectacular pallu of this beautiful Palum Param Kanjivaram silk sari, and it has motifs of horses, elephants and Mayilkani motifs. So this combination of balu kattam and this pink makes the sari absolutely gorgeous. The blouse piece is in pink with the same borders as the sari. This is a very unique and very exclusive Kanjivaram that we have for you today. Another Vairusi Kanjivaram, but this one in absolutely subtle shade of sea blue. This one is very soothing and very stunning. The color palette is absolutely beautiful and it's a delight to see and drape. The body of the sari is in a pastel sea blue and there are small zari buttas all over the body. The borders have vanki motifs, which is a zigzag motif or a bajuban motif, and a pale green selvage highlights the beauty of this gorgeous Vairusi sari. The pallu of this beautiful Vairusi Kanjivaram silk sari is very grand and it's got motifs of monkey, it's got motifs of chariot with peacocks, it's got pakshi motifs, and it's a very beautiful and stunning sari. This sari has a running blouse fabric in the same color as the sari, but you can pair it with a tissue blouse or a green blouse or a purple blouse. All these will look absolutely beautiful with this beautiful Vairusi. I am now going to showcase a very beautiful and very different kind of Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in an oily maroon or a yenna arakku, which is basically a maroon with black short, so it gives it a very deep maroon kind of look. The body of the sari is in this beautiful yenna arakku, which is also a dual tone, and the borders have Banaras borders, which is a diagonal stripe kind of sari motif. Coming to the pallu, it's a breathtaking and splendid pallu, and it's got motifs of pakshis, it's got diamonds. There is a big layer of tissue here and some more similar motifs of pakshi and diamonds at the bottom. So this sari has a beautiful and extra long pallu and it looks very beautiful and grand when it is draped. This sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the body. This is our special and unique pick for you today. One more Kanjivaram silk sari for Vairusi lovers. This one is in an auspicious shade of yellow. The whole body has zari stripes because it's a Vairusi sari. You can see how grand it is. And there are small buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders of this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari have a band of tissue and then you have these monkey motifs and a green selvage which highlights the beauty of the sari to a great extent. The pallu of this gorgeous Vairusi looks like molten gold and it has vanki motifs and it has sipureke all done in sari. It's a very elaborate and very intricate pallu. The blouse fabric of the sari is in this absolutely delightful dual tone. It's like a coppery kind of color and this sari with its own blouse will just spell elegance. This is our special Vairusi Kanjivaram silk sari for you today. I am sure our kaleidoscopic collection of Kanjivaram silk saris has won your hearts. You can directly purchase this collection from our website www.kalpavastram.com. In case you have any queries, please feel free to reach out to us on our WhatsApp number 97699711513. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.